over here fighting with my and here it goes, Southwest. Let's go. Southwest waits for no one. Yo, look at all that snow kicking it right now. That's sweet. Let's go. Neo in the background for departure. Cleo Hopkins Airport. Runway 24 left. Marie, thank you for the finger for joining. Look at her, actually. Look at this. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Look at that. Look at that view. That's awesome. That is awesome. Here goes Frontier Airlines, landing on 24 right here, CLE. A320 Neo. See how he does on that landing. A321. Look at all that snow. You immediately knew this was Hopkins. That's cool. And there it goes. We do not get it South African planes here. United will be taking off later. I think we had two of them earlier that took off. We're in the USA.